Perfect then. So, guys, thanks for joining us today. And if you're new here, by this time you would have known that we do this webinar every alternate week. Every Wednesday. Sometimes it's a product-based webinar. Sometimes it's a value-based webinar, like what we are doing, and sometimes it's a guest webinar wherein we invite guests from a different industry and ask them to talk about their experience, about a subject matter expert, basically. So today we have an interesting topic to discuss with you guys, which is proven methods to make your video content stand out from the crowd. Quite a big topic, but then something which everyone would agree is something we can't get enough of. Today there are a lot of experiments happening, and each day people are coming up with new ideas in order to enable this as well. So let's jump right in. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. We have a few methods which has been listed out by the top industry experts as the best way to keep your video content stand out from the how to make it engaging, how to make it different, and how to make it more conversion oriented is what the goal is. So you can be anyone. Today video creators are everywhere. They can be creating it for your YouTube channel, you can be doing it for your social media work, you can be doing it for your customer support, you can be doing it for your sales proposal. Even I've seen people walking through their proposals through a video instead of just sending it over as a document, which tends to have that human touch and convert more, because obviously if you send a sales proposal, it gets forwarded multiple times before the final decision is made. That is how B2B decision process are. So in that case, adding a video and adding a human face next to the proposal or the text document always adds a lot of value there. And of course, online classes. Since the pandemic, we have all moved remote, and online classes is a big thing. Both educators, teachers, as well as students, they use videos in order to record their classes or to teach their classes online or to send the recordings to their students later. They do it. So online classes is a big deal today as well. But whatever we do, we are seeing number of videos being generated every day in all these use cases. And if you take just YouTube alone, 300 hours of YouTube are being uploaded every minute, which means in the last 1 minute since I started talking, we've got 300 hours of content already there on YouTube. And by the time we finish, 300 into 30, what is that, Javin? I'm not good at math. So 9,000 hours probably of video is going to be there. So how exactly are you going to pull your audience towards your video is what we will try and experiment or try and decode in this particular section. So the first one which I have for you is content is the king. Now, before we start exactly with the steps, I have something to let you know. We are trying a few things new with this webinar. Basically, this is a closed community webinar wherein only vMaker users join in, which is why we hear a lot of feedback from here and then, use it to our advantage or use it to the mutual advantage later on. So with that, we have a presentation and a demo happening side by side in parallel, which is we are seeing two screens. Just in case you have missed it, there are a couple of screens here and here, and you have the presentation here. So yeah, we are using two screens this time, and we are experimenting two different timings. We also have a webinar later tonight for people who are connecting from Europe and the North American region. With a lot of, if you guys have any feedback, Javin, please share the survey with the a small to understand more about the product, the benefit, as well as how exactly we can make this webinar better. So yes, we keep a close ear on the same. So if you guys have any feedback for that, please do share it with us. It'll be really helpful for us to improve, just like what we are doing today in the upcoming days as well. So firstly, let's jump in. Content is the king. I think this kind of cliche everywhere you go. You kind of see this content is the king. Oh, come on, what exactly does that mean? Now it can be any content. Video content. Let's forget about YouTube content. Everyone has been saying this for a long time, but unfortunately, this is something you have to cross. Be it for YouTube, be it for your sales proposal, be it for customer support, you have to work around your content and make sure that it is top notch. Now, a few tips there is, you have to make sure that you resonate with your audience expectation. You understand the use case better. For example, if you're a customer support guy and you're recording a video, you can see we have done a few videos in the past as well to resolve customer tickets. If you're recording a quick video there, then in that case, you have to ensure that you repeat whatever the customer has told you and acknowledge it and then move towards it. So empathy is a big thing. Interesting, or you can always make your content resonating with your audience voice, but nevertheless, content is always the king. So you have to make sure that you have some killer content before you get started with it. The next step is for our YouTube folks exclusively, not for everyone, but then start using description. For example, if you are creating a vMaker video, you can see that I have edited the title here. Sorry, it's not coming up right, but you can see on vMaker collaboration. And you would see some of the video titles are just dates, which comes in as default, and some of them will have titles. So wherever you have, make sure that you use it. And if at all you're using it on YouTube, then there is a description template which YouTube themselves have agreed that they use the description in order to understand and use it forward. The first one is have a strong introduction about the video and yourself. That should be about 2 to 3 sentences, and then give a detailed outline. The quickest way, or the most easiest way, which we tend to do, is anyway we will prepare either a script or with Vmaker we turn this into a blog content later. We'll use some of the sentences from there for our YouTube description. So we make sure the description is not like 1-liner, 2-liner, and we make sure that it consists of like a good chunk of content out there, and we again do it with headers and subheaders as well. So have a detailed outline with around 150 words or even more, I would suggest. And then finally link it to social website and personal website profiles. So whatever you have, try to put it later. So this is a standard template which YouTube is suggesting, not explicitly, but then if you analyze, a lot of this research is from Backlinko, who have done a lot of research around the YouTube algorithm, and they came up with this particular template that tends to be working in a lot of places. So this is one more area for our YouTube folks. Guys, again, if you have joined us recently, please tell us where you're from and how exactly are you using Vmaker for, so that it's much easier to connect. The third one, which I have for you guys, is know your platform and your audience. Now, each platform comes up with its, has its own algorithm, and based on how the algorithm is, they tend to optimize the reach of your content. Now, if you're creating videos, Vmaker is something which you use to create on-the-go videos. And if you're using it to create videos for a particular platform, instead of people, you have to understand the platform's algorithm as well. For example, LinkedIn is something which likes videos that are 3 to 5 minutes long, whereas YouTube is something which likes videos which are 15 to 20 minutes long, minimum of 10 minutes in length. Whereas Facebook, on the other hand, loves between 5 to 10 minutes. So each platform has its own, requirement in terms of the length of the video as well. Now, why exactly they are putting it? This is because they can place ads in all these areas. Not exactly with LinkedIn, but definitely with Facebook and YouTube. They can place enough ads, if the length of your video is pretty good. So if you are preparing video for a particular platform, then make sure that you know your platform. If you're preparing a video for a person in specific, for example, you can see here I've been giving a walkthrough of I think I need to open it. So I was giving a walkthrough of one of the resume. Now, no, people who are listening from Vmaker, no, I'm not looking for a job, but this is a sample resume, and I was just showing a demo how exactly you can do it. People who are sending resumes, they can just give a walkthrough of the resume. And I was trying to understand what exactly would the person expect from me, so that, I showed my emotions and I make sure that, some of those things are resonating with the video instead of just sending them a resume. So make sure you know your platform and your audience before you connect with them. The next one is connect with your emotions. Now, I can use the same example here again. Imagine I send this resume to somebody, just any person, we are all sending this resume or sales proposal. It's not necessary that it is communicated in the right tone. And thanks to all the remote work environment, most of the things are happening through video calls and emails. Not everything can be communicated over videos, which is where the synchronous communication comes into play. So if you're sending a sales proposal or a resume or anything of those sorts, make sure you use, the screen plus webcam option. If you just go into the Chrome extension, you would find 3 options basically. So you could see that it has the screen option, the webcam option, and the screen plus webcam option. Now, make sure you try to use between the screen plus webcam option wherever possible, so that the person who is listening on the other end can also connect with your emotion. No matter how good you are in writing content, the kind of expression you do while you are explaining something, the face, it shows the emotion and it makes a direct connect. This is something I'm trying to work on recently, but then yes, it does have an impact. And by the way, if you had seen it, I'm using a different camera, and I can switch between multiple microphones as well. So all those things comes in default. This is just me telling you about the product as well. And if you guys have any questions about the product, please feel free to drop them in the chat and we'll be happy to answer them later as well. But yes, wherever it is possible, please feel free to connect with the screen plus webcam option, so that people can see how exactly your emotions are. It's easier for them to connect with it and work around it. Before we go here, I have an announcement to make as well for people who are joined late. Since you guys have joined in and you guys have been listening so far, we have a discount coupon which we are yet to share it with you as well. So Javan, please do the honors of sending it in the chat. Javan will be talking about it at the end about the details of the coupon. But yes, you guys can avail a 40% discount on vMaker if you are using it and planning to upgrade. This is an exclusive coupon only for people who have registered and are attending the webinar. So make sure you guys use it. I'll leave Javan to talk about it later. For now, I'll just continue with the next talk. The next one is called the MVC formula. So again, this is one for our YouTube folks. If you guys are on YouTube and you have come across this section called keyword, then yes, it has this thing called MVC, which is called main keyword, the variations, and category. For example, I am doing a video on about video marketing or video production. Then video production is going to be my main keyword. Now the variations is something related to the same video creation. For example, quick video creation or video creation tools or video creation applications. Now these are different variations with which people tend to search for your particular keyword. So add those three in the next. Now the 7, 8, 9 combination should be about the category in which you are doing. Now this could be between your audience type, this could be between your domain type. For example, video marketing is one, video production is one, YouTube videos are one thing, sales videos is a different thing. So again, with respect to the categories, again, this is from Backlinko. They have analyzed more than 1 million videos before coming into the conclusion that whatever keywords you add to your videos will have a direct impact with its reach. So if you are into it, then please do use this framework, and please do tell us how exactly it works as well, because this is something new, we came across recently and we are still testing it. So if you guys have any knowledge on this, please do let us know. And I can still see that people are joining. So guys, don't worry, this webinar is being recorded, and you will get a notification, once the recording goes live as well. And by the way, you also can record this using vMaker if you are using it, so that, you don't have to wait for the recording. The next one is the final one, editing. Yeah. So editing is always a big task, guys. It's never easy, and Javan has been doing some amazing job there. It's easy for me to just come in front of camera, talk about all these things, and then share it with him, and he does all the magic and does the final production and creates some amazing thumbnails as well before he shares it on YouTube. So editing is definitely a time consuming task today, and we have tried our best in order to make it better. So with vMaker, you would have seen the default editor. So if you had haven't seen it recently, we are coming up with the option to add music pretty soon, but right now we have the option to add external videos. So I can simply screen record one of my video, and then I can just upload an external video and click on it in order to bring it to my existing video. So we can see that this video is also added here. So if you guys are coming up with a new video, and if you feel like I need to add an external video to my current video, then yes, you can always use this particular feature to upload your external videos. Now, where exactly will this come into play? I'll tell you what. If you're preparing a 10-minute video, make sure that your video has the introduction wherein you capture the audience attention, has all the interesting clips put forward. If it is a 15-minute video, in the first 20 seconds you need to make sure that these are the things you're going to watch. Now it can be some of the interesting clips within the video, or it can be an outline of what exactly people can wish, or at the third level it can even be an image wherein you explain the different timelines and the time for each section. Maybe with this video we can say that minute 4 I'm answering this part, minute 5 I'm answering this part. So it just makes the experience easy for people, and it tends to create the engagement. So editing is definitely an important structure, and if you are somebody like me who creates video on the go, then yes, the default editor within vMaker is going to help you a lot. Please do check it out and leave us some feedback. We are still improving it, and we are pretty sure this is going to be a huge tool in the upcoming days as well. So yes, editing doesn't have to be time consuming if at all you're using something like this. But then I'm not going to say that this is something which can match the likes of Adobe Premiere Pro or any advanced software there. But if you guys are somebody who just wants to create content on the go, and then churn out a lot of videos, or a proper content creator, then yes, this is something you guys can try it out as well. So yeah, finally we are here. Making videos today is easier than ever. And like I said, you have the discount code shared by Javan on the chat. Javan, I'm just going to stop here for a minute and then allow you to talk about the discount option.
Yes, so we have a 40% discount exclusively just for the webinar attendees. It's not available outside of this particular closed webinar. So you can avail 40% discount on the Teams plan or the starter plan by clicking on the link. Please make sure that you have logged yourself into the vMaker dashboard before you access this link, because if you have been logged out, you might get an error. So as I said, it's a link that only works for the webinar attendees, and it's a closed link. So please make sure that you have logged into your account, and then make use of the discount coupon. If you have any questions when you're upgrading, or if you want any help in choosing the right plan that will suit your needs, always feel free to drop in a message in the website live chat. Our support team or I myself can come there and help you out selecting the right plan for you.
Awesome. Thanks, Javan. Thanks for dropping that. So, guys, I hope you found this content pretty useful. We were trying to add value instead of just showing you around the tool. And like I said, we are continuing to improve this webinar experience as well with respect to timing, with respect to the content we are delivering. So, if you guys have any suggestion, please use this survey link, or you can always drop us a message directly through our in-app chat support, or you can just send us an email on hola@vmaker.com. Again, before I leave you guys there, you have the discount code shared by Javan. So if you guys have any plans there, to upgrade, if you have used it, then probably this is the best offer you're going to get in the recent times. So make sure you utilize this. And Javan, you mentioned about the code Xperi as well, right?
It is only available for the next 7 days. So just for 1 week. Yep. So you have to upgrade before that case.
Awesome then. Yep, I'll wait for your the questions from you guys. If you have any, we'll be answering it. If not, we can close the session. So please use the chat session or the Q&A column in order to post your question. This can be about video marketing. This can be about, vMaker, pretty much anything. If we know the answer, we're definitely happy to share it with you.
One of the things that immediately comes to my mind is the direct upload feature that we have on vMaker, wherein you can actually, record the video, edit it, and just straight away directly upload it to your channel. So it saves a lot of time. And it kind of, makes it so much more easier to have it done with just one platform. So I think that's something really great for our YouTubers who are using vMaker.
I think I'm just gonna give a quick demo. Thanks for sharing that. So you guys, what Javan is saying is that, you can just click on the share button from the player page. So once you have finished all the recording, it just comes into your player page. And from there, you can click on the YouTube part, just add your channel, enter the title and description, and you can just post your video. So it is as simple as that. Fortunately, I haven't logged in. Let me see if I can.
So yeah, you can just add your channel and directly upload it that. So you have that flexibility, and also if you want, you can download the videos and then make use of it in your channel separately should you wish. So we have both the options available on vMaker.
So yeah, you can see that I've added my channel, and it's asked for my YouTube title and description, and probably add a tag. So yeah, if you guys, we spoke about adding tags there, about how exactly we can do it here. So based on that, you can continue to add tags and then just click publish. You can always go back to your YouTube channel and then edit whatever you have entered here as well. So that is again an option available here. Okay, we have got Gurpreet joining in. I'm not sure if he has joined in late, but Gurpreet, don't worry, you will get the recording for the video.
Yes, Gurpreet. Yes. So Gurpreet, we were also saying that we have a discount coupon available. So if you're looking to upgrade, or if you want any of your team members or someone you're working with to upgrade, we're offering 40% discount on the annual plan, on the teams and the starter plan. It's available only for the next 7 days. I've shared the link in the chat, so you can make use of the link to upgrade to vMaker. So if you have any questions regarding the upgrade, you can drop in a question or a message in the website live chat. Our team will be happy to help you out.
I
just wanted to add, if you are a YouTuber and you are already creating videos, but if you're struggling with thumbnails, we have some great idea. You can check out PicMaker. So PicMaker, all our thumbnails are designed on PicMaker because it's a lot more easier. We have so many templates available. We just have to, do minor tweaks, make sure our thumbnail reflects the brand color. So our thumbnails are being designed on PicMaker. Yes, if you can check out picmaker.com.
Great, and thanks guys. Thanks for joining in. I don't see any other questions coming our way. So certification has been a highlight request. I understand that. Umang, thanks for bringing it up. I'll definitely take it up with the team, and we'll let you know the big news coming up. Gurpreet, once again, thanks for checking out. Again, sorry that you have joined late, but you will see the recording on YouTube. And guys, please make sure you have a look into the discount link which we have sent as well. This the biggest link, you can expect offering a 40% discount from the pricing which is there right now. If you guys have any problem with that, please do message us. If you haven't logged in, if you are not in the right workspace, it might not work. So we can help you through that. Just ping us on chat, and one of us will be there to take you through the process, or even suggest you the best option, whether it is a startup plan or the team's plan, whichever will be good for you. If you need some suggestions there, we'll be happy to help there as well. Great, then. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining us, Javan. Thanks for pitching in once again and doing the response with me. We'll see you guys again in the next webinar, and stay tuned for the updates. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.